Let me show you how you can use QuantCrawler to make better decisions when it comes to your trading style. Now, I'm not saying QuantCrawler should replace and be your only trading style and strategy. However, is what I am saying is that it can help spot things that you may have missed while you are doing your own technical analysis on the charts. It's very beginner friendly, it's easy to use, and if you give me the opportunity, I'd love to show you quantcrawler.com, a website that I built that does AI technical analysis and has a ridiculous amount of trading tools to help you in your day-to-day trading journey. So the very first thing you want to do is come to quantcrawler.com. This is what you're going to see. I have here fastest growing trading channel on YouTube, and it really is the truth. About 30 days ago, I had 1,000 subscribers on here. As of today, I'm over 10,100. I don't know anybody who has 10x their channel in about 30 days. So QuantCrawler has built a following of people who are using it and getting daily results with their trading. Stop guessing, start trading with AI precision. You upload any chart, get exact entries, stops, and targets in seconds. You can track every trade and you can see your real P&L. You can click right here to start your free trial. It's free for 30 days. And then after that, it's just $9.99 a month. It's less than $10 a month to have access to everything I'm about to show you. Right here, as you scroll further down on the landing page, you can see AI powered analysis, trade tracking and P&L analytics, a built-in trade journal, and then 3 markets on one platform. And this actually needs an update. There's 4 markets. This has futures, Forex, and crypto. We now have stock options available. So we have 4 markets in one platform. We now also have close to 3,000 Discord members. This will get updated when we cross that 3,000 trader mark in the Discord channel. And you can click right here to join it. It's completely free. There's no paid anything within the Discord. You get access to everything that everyone else does. Right here is another full walkthrough tutorial of me showing how QuantCrawler works and actually running an analysis. And if I would have taken that analysis while filming, I would have hit $1,000 gold trade. So let me log in and I will show you what this looks like when you get logged in. The first thing you see when you get here is there's a left-hand sidebar. We have high impact news, which is all red folder news up here. You can click this and it will immediately take you to Forex News, Forex Factory. So you can see what these red folders might be. You can click the calendar, see when there's going to be some volatility or maybe some weird things in the market, and just be prepared while you're trading. Then up here at the very top, you can see that our top tickers today that have been ran is actually XAU USD spot out of Forex. It's been ran 232 times today. And then we have gold and MGC right here as well. So this main section right here that you see, when you click these, it will take you to the analyzers for that specific chain. So futures, Forex, options, and crypto. I'm only going to be showing you 2 of these today because 3 of these 4 operate the same. Futures is different. It is not automated yet. Forex, crypto, and options, all you have to do is go into them, type in the ticker, and it will automatically run everything you need. But let me show you first what you need to do with futures and how this one works. Once you get in here and you're looking at the futures chart analyzer down at the bottom, you can actually change your time frame. I'm just going to leave it as is, but you can do intraday, swing, or scalp. You just need to click that. A time frame adjuster pops up and you pick which one you want. But futures is set up for screenshots. So there's 2 ways you can do this. You need to get it the 15-minute, the 5-minute, and the 1-minute chart so it can do its analysis. I kind of set my charts up like this. Off the right-hand side, right above where my head is on the video, you can see in green MGC G2026, the new contract. This new candle that's building right here, you want to get it as close to that as you can. And then you just simply want to do Control Shift and S, and it will take a screenshot. And then you just come back and paste it in. You want to do the same thing on the 5-minute, Control Shift S, paste it in. And then again, as you would expect, the same thing on the 1-minute. You're giving it all 3 time frames, 15, 5, and 1, so it can run its analysis. Then once you have all 3 pasted in, you don't need to type anything or anything like that. I mean, you can put MGC if you want, you don't have to, but we'll just put MGC and then we'll run it through. While that's running, I want to also show you this. On the Google Chrome store, we actually have an extension. So you can go to the extension store, search QuantCrawler, and then you can see here that this will pop up for the 15, 5, and 1. You can pick your different time frames just like you can over here within the analysis, which is done. I'll show you that in just a second. But when you have the extension installed, is all you need to do to save yourself a couple things between copy, paste, is do Control Shift and Q. And you can see up here that it says 1 out of 3. When you open this up, the 15-minute, which is the one we're on, has been captured. You do the same thing, Control Shift Q. On the 5-minute, it's now 2 out of 3, and you have the 5 minute captured, and then the 1 minute. You just want to expand this a little. And the minute you click Control Shift Q and get your third one in there, it automatically will pull up another window and take you straight into the analyzer and start running the chart. So we have both of these outputs. This one automatically pulls you in straight from TradingView. So let's look at this one we got here that we uploaded the screenshots on. Right here, it's telling you the trade setup. It's micro gold. It knows what we're looking at because we typed it and it analyzed it from the charts. The current price, 4345.2. That matches close. We're at 0.7 right now. It's probably just the difference between pulling screenshots. The entry point is the exact same as the current price, but the reason it's doing this is because it's saying stay away. There's no valid trade from what it can identify, most likely because of this chop right here. It's not seeing any big movements, and it should tell us why, that there's no clear trend on the stay away. That's why it's calling it. So is what you would want to do is continuously monitor this until you actually get one that says long or short, and then it will guide you in the direction of where you want to go. It gives you option 1, option 2, and option 3, multiple different outputs. And the difference between option 1 and option 2 is just simply contract sizing. Tighter risk and tighter reward on option 2 over option 1 is just single contract. And then right here, option 3 is chart based. So it's going off of support and resistance. So you can see here, the stop distances to the target distance are much further away than these, but option 1 and 2 are for people who are operating off of a risk to reward, because that's what I preach is a proper risk to reward system yields high results. As long as you have a 33% win rate or better, you are a break even day trader. So risk management is important to me. That's why I frameworked in option 1 and option 2 to be coded to risk management and always targeting a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Down here at the bottom with time frame analysis, it says price is moving sideways, no clear direction. 5 minute is following the 15, and then price is fluctuating around 4344, which is this zone right here, and it is not liking it. It's also touching right here and back over here. It's picking up all of that it keeps retouching that point, and it's not really breaking it. So that's why it's telling you to stay away. Let's just assume for the example that this said long, and we took this trade. It will then immediately pull you into the trade journal, and it will populate in the values from this right here, current price 4345.2. On its analysis, that's what it gave you, and it gives you the direction here. Then you would put in, if you were taking a long or a short, I entered at not this price, whatever price you actually entered, what was your actual exit, and it will automatically calculate your P&L. And when you click save this trade, it will then save it in your performance tab, which is right here. I'm not going to go into great depth breaking this down. I'm mainly showing you the analyzers today. You're welcome to click around, and I will make another video on how all of this works. It's just to explain every single tab and every single button. It's probably going to be a 30 to 40 minute video. And today I'm just focusing on showing you the analyzers and how you can get better technical analysis, or technical analysis in conjunction with what you've already done to show some things you might have missed, or to reaffirm what you already know and validate your research. So at this point, we can get rid of the trading view that we had up and just go back to quantcrawler.com/portal. This is the main homepage. Let's just look at Forex, for example. We open up Forex, and now there are two options on Forex. You can enter in a ticker, or you can do what we just did and upload the screenshots. QuantCrawler extension in Chrome only works for futures. It does not port to Forex. So this is a manual Control-Shift-S pasted in. The reason it's like that is because I tried to get a little bit of automation for futures, because the integration for CME and all of that on the back end is way more intense than it is for Forex, options, and crypto. That's an easy plug and play. The other one with futures and CME is kind of a nightmare. I'm finding that out quickly, but I'm not giving up. So on Forex right here is what we're going to do is just take EUR USD major pair, and I'm just going to paste it in down below. All you have to do is just, well, real quick, I'll show you this. You can pick different time frames for any of these. This is what it looks like on futures as well. You can do swings, intraday, or scalp. That's the actual time frame adjuster. But down here in the search bar, I'm just going to put in EUR/USD and just click analyze, and it's going to go pull all of that data and come back to our framework and reanalyze everything to break it down and give you an output. So let's give it a second. I'll show you what that looks like. So it automatically comes back with the data on the 15, 5, and 1 that is fed back to our framework, and this is what it kicks out right here. It's telling you the direction is short, The time frame confluences, 2 of 3 align out of the 15, 5, and 1, and it will tell you down here as well which ones do. And if you look at it, you can see the 15 and the 1 minute, or excuse me, the 5 minute and the 1 minute are bearish and they align, while the 15 minute is bullish. So you're having more micro movements. It's worth looking at and confirming before you take this position to make sure that it is getting the right analysis. You can see it gives you your entry price, it gives you your stop loss, how many pips away it is, and what you should be targeting here for profit targets on a target 1 and target 2 system. Its confidence level is 55%. Not as strong as I would like to see personally. However, if you want to take the risk, go for it. If you like how the charts look, this is not meant to be a replacement for your own research. It's supposed to be a reconfirming, reaffirming, whatever word you'd like to use. It's supposed to reaffirm what you already think and know, or bring up points that maybe you missed. So if you were to read these, it says on the 15, the trend is stated as bullish. However, the current price is testing recent resistance levels. Recent price action has seen a decline, followed by a bounce into these resistance levels, suggesting a potential rejection. So on the 15-minute, you're at a rejection zone. The 5 and the 1 are bearish off of that rejection zone, and it's something you need to look at. So if you are not analyzing off the 15, 5, and 1, these rejection zones, this is maybe something you just want to do a second look at. Make sure that it's aligning, whether you agree or disagree. This is an AI response framework. It can be wrong. It's not me sitting behind a computer plugging in all these details for you. This is an AI model sending things back to our framework. Our framework is reanalyzing everything, breaking it down, and giving you the output. So that right there is how you use the Forex analyzer. The options and the crypto analyzers are the exact same. I'll just briefly show you. Up here, there's an enter ticker and there's an upload screenshots. You can do either method. You can just come down here and type in SPY or QQQ. It will pull all of the data and give you a delta range you should be looking for, a 0 DTE option. You can see down at the bottom there's 0 DTE intra and swing. If you're a swing trader and want to hold for multiple days out, it will give you that analysis on a larger time frame with chart analysis. Same thing with crypto. Once you get in here, there's enter ticker and upload screenshots. So those operate the exact same as Forex that I just showed you. And just for the sake of the video, I don't need to walk you through those when you can do it on the website. You get a free 30-day trial. You can get in there, hop around to all the different analyzers and see what it comes up with. The last thing I will show you real quick is on the left-hand side, we have instruments. We have a roadmap, which I'm working on if you want to see what's coming up. It does need some updating because I've done quite a bit on the roadmap already. I'll just show you. On phase 2, 19 of 23, we are working, we being me, I'm a one-man show. I'm working a lot on this roadmap to get it done. Then the indicators right here, QuantCrawler liquidity, opening range break signals with session liquidity level tracking. That's what this is right here. You click this, it's a private indicator that you need this link for. I'm not like gatekeeping that too hard. You just have to be a QuantCrawler member. Whether you're on a trial or a paid membership, you click this, it takes you straight into TradingView right here, and you can add this to your favorites. You can see here in our community, 622 people have saved it and favorited it. It has some comments, it's being used. People are loving that indicator. It's fully customizable as well. And then the last thing I'll show you real quick are the tools. We have all these different position size calculators. We have lot size calculators. We have crypto calculators down here. We have this one that's just session times, just simple, easy to use tools that you can add to your everyday trading, and then guides. We have a quick start guide of how you use QuantCrawler that will give you a more in-depth walkthrough. We have a trading psychology PDF and just walkthrough if you want. If you're having a hard time, why do you keep missing what's going on? You can actually break some of these down. This is something that I spent a lot of money on actually getting the information myself and realized I already knew all of that. I just had to actually read it. So instead of you paying money with someone else's course, I made it for free and it's available right here. You can download the whole thing as well. Keep it, make a paper airplane out of it, whatever you want to do. We have a best practices guide. I have my orb strategy guide here. I have a market prep template and a glossary if you're new. If you're trying to figure out acronyms and what things mean, this is something you can come into and just scroll through. So that right there is everything you get with a 30-day trial for free and then $9.99 a month after that. The only other option I have is I do have a lifetime membership, and lifetime members do get some exclusive perks that are all listed on the website. And they also do get the QuantCrawler bulletproof indicator that is coming out, has over a 68% win rate today, has an overall win rate of over 61%, and that is an exclusive lifetime member benefit. I'm not going to go into that too much more, but everything is listed on the website. I would love your support. I would love to have the opportunity to show you what I've built. Again, like I said, I'm a one-man show and I welcome your feedback. I'm always looking to get better, how I can improve things, how I can make the website better overall and more consistent. And I would love it if you would try it out. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you soon.